Hey, I'm Katie with WTI. While I originally intended this for my daughter's underwater and space themed room, once I saw how amazing it was and that it Bluetooths to your phone so you can play music on it, yeah, I decided this was going to have to be mine. We've been using this all over our house. I love that you can customize these lights. There's 4 different colors. You get to choose the ambience that you want. I personally love using this when I'm taking my weekly relaxation bath. These lights make it just that much more relaxing. And there's also a remote control, so you don't have to get up and change the lighting if it's not just right. You can decide whether you want to use the Bluetooth mode or not. It does have some built-in sounds that are kind of like white sounds. You can do running water, waves, a forest. There's even some lullaby music. I personally love the fire crackling. This projector was so much more than I thought it was going to be, and we might just end up with one in every room of the house. And that's my point of view.